We are happy to be here with you to join you in celebrating the month of sacrifice, the month of prayer, the month of remembrance, the month where we deny ourselves many worldly temptations and pay maximum attention to God. We decided to invite you to the grounds of Parliament. This is the centerpiece of our nation, where everybody meets and is the great equalizer for Kenyans, because this is a house of the people of Kenya. And we come here united as one, walking in the shadow and the fear of God at all times, knowing very well that our Constitution 2010 acknowledges the supremacy of God as the foundation of this nation. So whenever we gather together, those of us who profess the Christian faith, the Bible says, wherever 2 or 3 are gathered, God is in their midst. So as we stand here today, we want to thank our Muslim brothers, and this time around it has coincided with the Christians as well. As Christians are observing Lent, our Muslim brothers and sisters are observing Ramadan. So this is an exceptionally holy period for this country. And I want to encourage us as Kenyans. There is no single country in the world without challenges. Politics itself is competition. And when you compete, there are always times when you rough shoulder each other, you say words to each other that are not supposed to be said, but at the end of the day, we withdraw to reflect and think and focus, knowing we have no spare country. We have only one country called Kenya. And this country, its custodians are all of us.